Hi, I'm Monster 1970. Today I'm going to be replacing this 6.5 inch spoiler on my Memphis Shades Batwing with this 9 inch spoiler. Problem I was having was I was getting some buffeting coming up over my head with this one, so I'm hoping that this one's going to fix the problem. Part number on this, if you want to know, is MEP 8561. Let's get started. I'm going to be using a 4mm Allen on a socket and a 7/16 open-end wrench. What I do is carefully, without wiring up the plastic. One. Let's get her loose. Okay. Now that I got this unboxed, I'm going to slide this in underneath to get the center one started. Yeah. It was easy to get it in there. Now I got one in. Should be able to get the other ones in. No problem. See, there's a button head bolt and a washer, and then this shouldered nut. Shouldered nut goes in from the back side. And up through the Batwing. And I'm just snugging them down for now. Well, finger tight. And then I've got this one over here yet. It's going to be a little tough. A little tough to get her started. I'm going to have to loosen them all up a little bit. Because I want to make sure I'm getting it up through. There we go. Make sure that's going up through the Batwing. Oops, I think I lost it. Is that it? It's a little tough. It's like you gotta flex the Batwing a little bit for the windshield to line up, or the spoiler to line up. And it seems to be going up. It's there. And that one seems to be. Start with tightening up the center one. There are no torque specs for this. You just want to tighten it down, but not too tight. Doesn't need super tight. It's nice and snug. There we go. Let's get down there. Go. This thing really needs cleaned off. There we go. And that's it. The side view. And you can see these are the nuts that I had to tighten down. You're going to make sure that they're up through the batwing. So that should do it. Well, that'll do it for installing the 9-inch spoiler from Memphis Shades on my 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Tourer. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.